In this video, I will show you how to add a domain in Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing you want to do is you want to ensure that you're logged into your Cloudflare account. From here, you want to go to add. You want to go to connect a domain. Now you can either register a new domain, or if you have an existing domain, you're going to input your existing domain here. You're going to choose this option to either manually enter DNS records or quick scan for DNS. And you're going to go continue to the next page. Now here you're going to choose the type of plan that you want. We're going to go for the free plan. So we're going to review the DNS record, and then we're going to scroll down and we're going to continue to activation. Now Cloudflare has found that I have different DNS on this particular domain, so it's asking me to delete those and then paste this ones. But ideally that's what you're going to do if you don't have a domain with Cloudflare and you have it with some other provider. You're going to copy and paste their name servers there, and you're going to click on continue. Now it's going to take a few days for the name server changes to propagate, and that's how you connect a domain to your Cloudflare account. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.